Hey, what's going on, guys? MXG Spider here. Welcome back to another video. This is the video that I've been waiting to post for the last week and a half. The Thoughts Are Nuclear video. Honestly, man, like, I'm excited to show off this concert because they killed it. They really killed it. You guys notice that there's more of me talking in the video? Like, I paused for a second to come back to this clip in the editor's perspective to tell a little bit of context, because there was a little bit of context that needs to be told. Anyways, if you guys do enjoy today's video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and also another thing, if you guys want to see Thoughts Are Nuclear live, where is this post at? Hang on, I'm gonna find it. If you guys want to go see Thoughts Are Nuclear live in concert, they're gonna be performing at Furnace 41 in Jonesboro, Georgia. They're opening for Rehab. That's another band, by the way. That's not like the actual place of Rehab. That's like another band. Just so y'all know of that. Anyways, if you guys do want to go see them live, May 14th, Friday, May 14th, 2021. Go buy tickets. I'll let y'all know next time in my next video. I gotta get the information from my father because he is a part of the band after all. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace. Of course, they're cutting their freaking grass. I don't know why I'm wearing Preston's merch, but I kind of don't care. Anyways, I swear to God, I always make videos at my dad's house for some reason. It is weird as crap, but it's fun to do. Tonight, my dad has a show at Furnace 41. Tonight, I decided, you know what? I want to have something fun to do while I'm at this awesome place. I've been to Furnace 41 before. It is really amazing. I was there with the cover-ups, and it's really nice. Hanging out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My vlogging skills are still garbage. Roll the video.
I don't know if y'all can hear me right now, but we go live on Instagram in like a couple hours or so. I don't know when. Promoting Thoughts Are Nuclear at Furnace 41. Be there, support it. Peace.
Okay, a little bit more context into the video. I didn't get much footage of, like, other stuff, really. I mostly got some of the other bands playing. And some funny clips as well. I didn't get really much of, like, the entire show. But I'm about to roll the greatest moments of waiting for Thoughts of Nuclear to play. Roll it. No thanks.
I love how this band has an old guy in it. Encore! Welcome to the bass player.
Yes. I don't have any microphone. Yes. Y'all feeling pretty good now? Y'all give another round of applause for Jameson Tank.
Yeah, Jameson.
It's kind of hard to come on after Jameson Tank and then Feather Machete. It's kind of hard to come on after those two. All right, let's rock and roll.
Is.
3 years of being married.
Yeah! True love!
So we decided that we're going to do a song that we're probably never going to do again, and we're only going to do it because of them. Yep.
Yes, sir. Never going off.
They wanted special songs. We're giving them special songs. Lovey-dovey crap. Lovey-dovey crap.
The best type of crap.
This son of a gun back here, I was going to say son of a but, you know, whatever. This little back here. Okay, this little back here. Okay, this awesome son of a gun back here.
Language.
Dude, man, he's also turning 36 years old.
Okay, boomer.
A group of dancers from the Philippines are going to help us with the music video for that one.
Yeah!
Thank you and good night.
Yeah! Alright, I got live streaming to do.
Okay, a little bit more context of what I mean whenever I was going to start live streaming. I posted a video on Instagram the night the concert came about, saying, you know, I was going to go live on Instagram to record the concert. Until I realized I couldn't download an Instagram live stream over 10 minutes, and I needed a YouTube video, so I just recorded a 6-minute live stream, and here is a little bit of the clips from the live stream. The live stream is just mostly them setting up while they were getting ready to go on and stuff like that. So, here it is.
Josh, we're live. Hey, there's Josh, that's the top one. We're live. We're live. We're live. There you go. Alright, I ended the Instagram live stream. They're mostly set up now. I only wanted to do that for the setup part. I wanted to record the rest of it for YouTube. My dad, just being my dad up here. Yeah. Yeah. He just feeling the music. He's just feeling the freaking music.
Whoa, whoa. Hey, hey, check, check, 1, 2. Before,
Yeah!
thank you. Before, guys,
Language.
one for having us out tonight. Is this riffing like I asked? Oh, thank you.
All day.
And that was the concert. Going into it, I honestly have to say that Thoughts Are Nuclear, even though it's the first time they've played in over 5 years, dude. 5 years. Like, you know how long that is? The fact that, you know, dude, that's just crazy to believe. That 5 years ago, that was the last time they played. Let me just tell you something about the concert. All together, like all the bands, not just Thoughts Are Nuclear. The first two, Jameson Tank and Feather Machete, killed it. They killed it. They really killed it. Battle Wax, they were amazing. They were amazing. They exceeded also in comedy skills. That's something that the other bands, they only had a couple funny jokes, but the Battle Wax had a lot of comedy skills. And then Thoughts Are Nuclear. Oh, bro. Like, for real. Like, they didn't just kill it, they terminated it. They terminated that entire show. I believe that I've seen this the best my dad has ever played in my entire life. Like, for real. I am not kidding when I say that. This video is already long enough. The coolest thing about this entire concert was the fact that I got one of the bands to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that I got a sticker from one of the other bands, Feather Machete, by the way. Go check them out on Facebook. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and peace! Wake up the members of my nation. Goodbye, neighbors. This is the reason you're probably moving. It's your time to be